Hello everybody and welcome to my linen closet. I am sharing with you the before of my linen closet and I'm gonna share with you guys how to organize it. As you can see, it is very small and we have so much work to do. I am going to be sharing everything that I use in today's video and it is all from the dollar store. So if you like dollar store organization, you've come to the right place. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and get everything taken out.
Everything started to change. No going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzy.
Now when I'm organizing, I don't always take everything out. In fact, it can be very overwhelming for me, but I knew for my linen closet, it wouldn't be that big of a deal and I had to do it because it is so small. However, there was a lot of stuff in here and you'll see shortly.
Nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your own.
Because this is not our house, I chose not to line the linen closet, but if you wanted to, you would go ahead and do that after you were done cleaning it. Okay, so for organization baskets, I got everything from Dollarama or the dollar store. And so you guys know I love these white wicker baskets. I think that they are incredible. This is the largest size that you can get. They were $4 each and I have 4 of them. And I actually went back for more of those organization baskets and they didn't have the size I wanted. But when I went, I found these instead. And so I picked up 2 of these little laundry baskets to fit in the bottom, and these were $4 each as well, and they are 36 liters, but I'm not going to use these for actual laundry baskets and dirty clothes. Stay tuned to see where I put them in the linen closet. So here's a little space-saving hack for small areas like our linen closet. You can also do this in like your bedroom for drawers to save space and stuff like that. But one thing that you can do is you can actually roll the material. So in today's case, I am rolling some of the towels, not all of them, but the ones that are going in the bottom, I ended up rolling them so that more would fit. And then you'll notice I also ended up rolling our washcloths and then our towels that we use daily. I did not roll because I don't enjoy rolling when I'm folding towels and stuff, but I knew that it would be a really good idea to try it out this go around for this organization project. And so I will keep you guys posted on how this actually lasts, but I feel like it turned out really, really functional and I'm excited to share the before and after with you. So as you can see, I also fold my towels a very particular way. Let me know in the comments if you are the same or if you just like don't really care. And it's really funny because my husband folds majority of our laundry and he folds everything differently than I do. So I'm gonna have to train him with our new functional linen closet organization and hopefully we can stick to it and make it work.
You got 2 minutes of my time. I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear.
Okay, so here's what we are dealing with. These I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with quite yet. These are my reusable cotton pads that I just put in the little jar for now. Those are our hand towels, our washcloths. These are not supposed to be in the linen closet, so I'm gonna move those into the kitchen. Those are also not supposed to be in there. I'm gonna move those to under our bed. That's where I store our extra sheets and blankets. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with those yet. This is the resort that we got married at in Mexico, and so obviously those have sentimental value to us. Those are dirty and need to be washed. These are going to go, I think, in there. Don't mind all the toys, but I think I'm gonna put them in there as they're just kind of extra towels. So I'm gonna have one probably for the dog, which are those ones, and then that one is a beach towel, and all of our beach towels are dirty because we've been at the beach a lot, and then I only have one clean towel right now. So yeah, I have a lot of laundry to fold as well, but I wanted to show you just kind of what we're working with. Okay, so I just went through all of our medication off camera, and this pile here I'm throwing in the garbage. This pile here is gonna go back into the linen room closet. So the one that I'm throwing out in the garbage, it's all expired, and I'm not talking like within a year, like it's like 2012, 2013, kind of really bad. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that out, and then I'm gonna start putting things back into the linen closet. And so for the non-expired stuff, I kind of have like all of the medication, and then I just have these band-aids and stuff thrown over top, but I have everything in little baggies. So this is all the extra band-aids that are not in an actual box. And then I have the things that you would need to give the medication, including sanitizer, tweezers, all the things. And then over top, I have this little basket full of band-aids that literally just like sits on top, which is pretty awesome.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Alright you guys, so that is my before and after of my linen closet. I hope that you enjoyed this small linen closet transformation and organization. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy more organizational videos, especially when you have a small house. I think organization is key. I hope that you guys organized with me. Again, give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.